Hi, I am Patty Mendoza, and today I am going to go over what a student's point of view is when using Seesaw. So let's get started. So the first thing you'll see is an activity that the teacher has assigned, and when the student signs in, this will be in their class notes. So you can see here on the top left, there's an activity, and then there are words here that the student can actually read, or they can simply play this instruction button and it'll read it to them. Let's listen a little bit. Students, today you will complete a sight word activity with the word at. First, click the drawing tool and find the sight word at. So again, students can actually listen to the entire directions that are recorded by the teacher, or they can read. Now, to get started and actually do the work and submit a response, the students will have to click this green button here where it says Add Response. I'm going to click here as a sample student, but your students should have their name. So this is the view that they get to see when they are using Seesaw. And what you want to do is to make sure that you can see all the tools. Sometimes you may not see these bottoms because you do not have your screen on full where you can see everything. Then you can actually go here to view and you can zoom in or zoom out just so that you can be able to see the entire page. Let's get started. If I want to, I can go ahead and read each of the directions in the box. If I forgot what I'm supposed to do, I can simply click on here where it says View Instructions, and it shows here what I need to do, or I can play that button where it has my teacher giving me the directions. Let's begin. Here it says, record yourself saying the word. And see, this little icon is telling me to use the microphone. So I'm going to look for the microphone button here. I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to record myself. At. And I'll stop. This one here says circle the word. I'm supposed to circle the word at. This is the word I'm practicing, and it says I should use a writing tool, a drawing tool. And I can use any of these here that I see at the bottom. I can use any color. I'll go ahead and just use this one here, and see I can even use a different color that I want. And I will just circle the word at anytime I see the word at. And all I'm doing is just using my finger as I move around on my keyboard area on the pad. You may be using an iPad, and then that would be where you're actually moving your finger as well. The next one says, trace the word at. Okay, well, it says to use a tool to write. Maybe I'll use a different one. Let's see, I would trace it using this nice highlighter, and that looks like a lot of fun. And I just traced that. And I could have used any color or any of these writing tools. Then it says here, mix and fix. So that means I need to move this around, and I can click on the little button here, and I can actually move my tool around. Didn't ask me to type anything, but I had to use the little finger cue here. That's what I did. I moved it around. Last one here says type the word at. And so I will need to be able to type in this box. So I need to click on this tool here. I'm going to click here. Give me a text box. And now I'm going to type the word at. And that's it. That's all I would have to do for my activity. Finally, I need to click this button here where it says done. I am done with my work. Now I have to send it to the teacher. So I'm going to click on the check mark. And it should be telling me that it is there. And I sent it to the teacher already. Well, I hope this was helpful, and I can't wait to show you more work on how to use Seesaw.